What it do? Hog food review back once again. I come up in the 7-Eleven, you know what I'm saying? They had these new Cheetos, Pretzels, flaming hot, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna feed these motherfuckers too. This is our munchie, this is the Munchies review. You know what I'm saying? This is a Munchies review, man. That's what it is. Well, these motherfuckers smell good too. God damn. All that shit on there, man. God damn. No cool. Here's pretzels. Flaming hot pretzels, that's all. Got a lot of shit on them motherfuckers though. God damn. Them motherfuckers actually good. I'm not even a flaming hot fan.